about to go see Jackson. He's asleep in the living room.
He's passed out in our living room,
You
and
ready?
he just got home from a camping trip.
Okay, wait. So are you gonna? I'm gonna be standing there. You gonna wake him up slowly.
Yeah,
He's gonna see me.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Let's get his ass.
Should I go over there?
Yeah.
I should go over there.
Hey, man.
Oh my god! 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 Why would you do that to me? 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 Why would you even do that to me? Why would you 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 do that to me?
Jack.
Okay, turn it off, Bo. Were you scared?